Girl, you so fancy now.
Oh, I know, this dish just seemed so complex. You must have gone to at least the top 3 to get everything. That sauce is dope. Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, Central Market.
And just look at those cute little, what do you call those things again?
Capers?
Well, I just want to eat them up. They are so adorbs.
Well, I mean, you can. Oh, this is absolutely gram-worthy. I cannot wait to see what all my frenemies think. Dang, that hits different. Would you throw shade if I loaded up? Let's just keep this between us that it took me less than 30 minutes to make this.
If you haven't already figured it out, that simple dish that we're making today is Salmon Piccata. And much like chicken piccata, we're going to be taking the fillets, lightly dusting them in flour, pan-searing them, then whisking up this delicious lemon garlic butter sauce. But that's not it. Then it gets topped with these capers. They're like little bursts of salty goodness in every bite. To start, let's take a look at the salmon. You'll need about 1 1/4 to 1 1/2 pounds of it. If you want a healthier variety, opt for one that is wild caught. If you're okay sacrificing a bit of nutrition for flavor, a sustainably farm-raised fish is a great option. Verlasso is my go-to for this. If possible, look for fish that is fresh and has not been previously frozen. Leaving the skin intact, cut the salmon into 4, 5 to 6 ounce fillets. Then, grab a large shallow bowl and add 1/4 cup of flour. A gluten-free 1-to-1 blend can be used if needed. 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Whisk this together until combined. Dip each salmon fillet into the flour, making sure to coat all of the sides. Then, shake off any excess and reserve the remaining flour mix for later. Add 2 tablespoons of butter to a large stainless steel or nonstick skillet over medium heat. Once it's melted, add the salmon fillets flesh side down and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Flip them over and continue cooking for an additional 3 to 4 minutes or until they're cooked through. Remove the salmon from the skillet and place it on a separate plate. Add 2 additional tablespoons of butter to the skillet, along with 2 cloves of finely minced garlic. Saute for 30 seconds or until it becomes fragrant. Then, whisk in 2 tablespoons of the reserved flour and quickly pour in 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Yes, you're gonna wanna get this ready beforehand. Next, pour in 1 cup of reduced sodium chicken broth, 1/4 cup at a time, whisking well after each addition. It's super important that you do this part incrementally. You want the sauce to thicken up a bit between each addition, otherwise you're gonna end up with a runny sauce instead of a nice and creamy sauce. Add the salmon back into the skillet, along with 1/4 cup of drained capers, and heat it up for 2 to 3 minutes. Just before serving, top the salmon with lemon zest for a pop of color and fresh flavor. You've already seen all of my friends' reactions, but now it's time for me to dig into this. Oh yeah, they knew what was up. My gosh, guys, this has got such a tangy and salty sauce balanced with that butter, and then the fish is so tender and flaky. But you know the drill. I cannot wait to hear what you think, so be sure to let me know. Also, if you want a few more recipes that are gonna impress your guests, then you have gotta check out these dinner dishes right over here. Thanks so much for hanging out. I will see you in the next one.